Welcome to Dental 360. Today we are in conversation with Dr. Monica and Dr. Kunjan, two experienced practitioners in the field of dentistry. Today they are here to share their views on two newly launched products which hit the Indian market recently. Previous Dentro has launched two products, Calapex, a bioceramic and calcium hydroxide based root canal sealer, and CalUltra, a bioactive pulp capping agent based on TCT and calcium hydroxide. Hello Dr. Kunjam and Dr. Monica. It is really nice to have you here.
Hello, Nana.
Let us start with our first product, Calapex. Dr. Kunjam, I am eager to know your views about Calapex and how different it is.
Thank you, Tanya. I would like to enlighten that several root canal sealers have been counted for clinical use, and we are familiar with two such products already being used in market. Calapex is a non-vaginal sealer which has been used and evaluated based on research, so it has performed satisfactorily.
Yes, as you said, we can compare this with other calcium hydroxide sealers which are already very popular in the market. But the question arises how different Calapex is and how better it can perform than them.
Calapex is not only a calcium hydroxide based sealer, it has bioceramic calcium silicate component which makes it a good sealer. And based on my clinical experience, it has performed good, and I have not noticed any post-operation pain or flare-ups with the patients. And preliminary in vitro studies have indicated it as a good sealing ability. I would say it has a combination of both biocompatibility and sealing ability, and I would prefer it to perform well and soon be adopted by the dentist all over.
That's really exciting, Dr. Kunjam.
Thank you.
Now let's move on to another product, CalUltra. Dr. Monica, we are really excited to hear your views on CalUltra. It would be great if you share the same with our learned audience.
Thanks, Tanya, for the question. Yes, CalUltra is a very promising material as it has a very better handling properties. I am very well versed with this type of materials, and I am happy to share the experience on multiple therapy material. CalUltra is a promising material because it has a very better handling properties. I still remember during my college days, it was a nightmare to mix the calcium hydroxide based material and took the material to the clinical side because we hardly get a time of 5 to 10 seconds for manipulation of the material and to work on the material and took it to the clinical side. In comparison to that, CalUltra is a very good material because it provides us an ample amount of time. It gives us working time of at around 1 minute, which is more than sufficient for a dentist to mix the material, to carry the material to the clinical side and apply it satisfactorily. And one other added benefit is that it consists of two components, calcium hydroxide and TCT, which has both synergetic properties of the material and very biocompatible. During my follow-up results, I saw that it gave better clinical results, and the more happy I am about its handling properties. So we dentists were waiting for this type of product from, I think, last several decades.
Thank you, Dr. Monica, for your views. To sum it up, we now understand that the product have very good material properties and it is reliable for pulp capping therapies and endodontic treatment. I am sure Calapex and CalUltra would do great. Moreover, the products have been designed by the dentist for the dentist. A collaborative team of researchers and dentists were instrumental in product design. So we are pretty much sure about the results. Thank you Dr. Monica and Dr. Kunjam for joining and sharing your clinical views on CalUltra and Calapex again.
Thank you, Tanya, for such a nice talk show.
We'll update you with the new findings and new research studies. Till then, have a great day and see you soon.